Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. Today we are unboxing my fall Walmart beauty box. So if you guys want to see what's inside, then keep watching. I say this in every Walmart beauty box unboxing, but this is my favorite subscription. It's super affordable. It's under $10. It's seasonal, so say it is $10 for the whole year. It's $40 a year. So like I said, it's super affordable. It's great if you are just starting out with makeup. If you're, say, like a preteen, teenager, it's great for this. It's great if you just love to test out products like I do. It is my favorite box. I never know what I'm getting inside these boxes. I think they have emails that spoil what's inside. I just always delete them. I never really pay attention, or I'm sure there's like Instagram accounts. Again, I don't follow them because I do like this surprise. So I just got this in the mail a couple days ago, and I'm finally now sitting down to film this video for you guys. So let's take the wrapper off and open it up. I do have really high hopes for this box because the summer box was so good. So here is the inside. It's actually looking pretty good. First up is the NYX Duck Plump, and this is the clear one. So I do already own this. This is the full size, and I don't know if you could see it, but I pretty much used this whole entire thing up. I use it every morning just to get that plump effect. So this is a little mini baby, and it is so cute, but I love this Duck Plump. It is so good. You really feel that tingle, and the plumpness lasts a pretty good amount of time, surprisingly. I do like to put this on before I start doing my makeup. So this is the first thing I do. So if you ever watch my get ready with me's and you just see my lips getting like progressively redder, this is why. So makeup tip, put your lip plump on first, let it sit. So say it takes like 45 minutes to do your makeup, and then wipe it off, and you'll have really cute plump lips. Okay, look at how cute this is. This is a little mini eyeshadow palette from Profusion, and it's Halloween. It's a little 4-shade palette. This is really cute. I'm not the biggest Halloween person. I don't know if you guys can tell. I do have like a sugar skull back there. That's as Halloween as I get, and that's a sugar skull that stays out all year round. But this is so cute. It does say Halloween 2021. It doesn't look expired or anything, but it does have some really cute shades. Next up, we have the Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 hair primer. I really like Eva NYC. I've been using their blue shampoo. If you have brown or black hair, highly recommend getting a blue shampoo because it's gonna make the black. I dye my hair black because my hair's like a dark brown, and it has a lot of red in it. So when my roots do grow out, the blue cancel out the red and orangey tones. I love it. It also just makes my hair look like that blue black for longer, which I really love. But this stuff is so good. Just spray it in your hair after you shower. Put this as like your last hair product, and it just detangles, it strengthens, heat protection, reduces frizz, softens, cuts drying time, adds shines, nourishes, smooths, and has UV protection. It's amazing. I always love getting samples of this. Next up is a little travel size of the Degree 72-hour deodorant. This is in Sexy Intrigue. This is actually the deodorant that I use daily. I love keeping these minis in my pocketbook. I get so hot when I work, so I will take my little travel size out of my pocketbook and I will run to the bathroom and just give myself a little spritz, and I just feel better. These are just so handy to have with you at all times. I know it sounds so dumb, but thank me later when you have this in your pocketbook, because you'll be like, oh my god, that is a lifesaver. Next up, we got a little sample of the new Olay cleansing melt. So this has vitamin C, and it is a water activated daily facial cleanser. I'm very excited to try these. I keep seeing the commercial on TV, and I don't know, they just look really fun. You get 4 of the cleansing melts in here. This is what they look like. They're just a teeny tiny little square. I'm really excited to use them. All you have to do is soak with water, activate it to a lather, and then massage onto your face. And this is a 3-in-1 clean. It's going to clean, tone, and refresh the skin. And last is a cute little mini of the Maybelline Firework Mascara. If you watched my no makeup routine, if you haven't, it'll be linked down below. But I was sent this mascara by Maybelline and I have been using it all the time. I love it. I've been using the waterproof. I have not tried the regular one yet, which I'm sure is just as amazing as the waterproof, but I'm excited to have a little mini backup. This season's Walmart beauty box was pretty good. It's 6 products for under $10. I think that is amazing. I'm very excited to try the cleansing melts, and I think this little Halloween palette is just too cute. Let me know what you think of the fall Walmart beauty box in the comments down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. And that is all I have to say, so I will see you guys next time. Bye!